I'm done. No! I'm done. No, I'm done! I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Back up, back off. Take it, finish it. Do with it what you will. I'm done. You came, you silently judged, you poked, you got what you wanted, so why don't you just leave? Why don't you leave? Jesus Christ! What is it all you want from me? Huh? All of you. What the fuck do you want? Do you want it on record? Is that what it is? Yes? Fine. There was a point my marriage where I did not think we could reconcile our differences. There it is. All of those people out there, we helped them. We nurtured them. We spiritually guided them to Christ, and now they want us to fail. They want us to fail. You can. Sure. You can. Don't think for one moment that I didn't know what you were up to when you stepped into this church. You wanted to show the big bad wolves who eat up all the little piggies. Well, those aren't the little piggies out there. I am! Right here! I'm the victim! Why don't you just leave? Why don't you just leave? Blah, 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 blah. Is that it? Come on, girl. Is that all you got? Because those are not the type of questions that are going to lead you to any type of real truth. Believe me, I've asked them. And you. And you. 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 And all the people out there who are going to see this. I want them to know that I did what I was supposed to do. I prayed that I know that I was good. So yes, this is my church. And it's my husband. I would sooner kill him than I would leave.